Carolina's healthcare system, Blue Ridge, battled dragons on September 30th at Lake James State Park. Many of our teammates spent the perfect autumn day paddling dragon boats on the lake as part of the 2017 Lake James Dragon Boat Race.
Dragon Slayers, okay. Awesome.
Your Carolina's healthcare system, Blue Ridge, was the presenting sponsor of the race, and we had 3 teams compete. The Blue Ridge Dragons, made up of teammates with Brent Pearson as captain. The Blue Ridge Dragon Slayers, made up of administration assistants, executive directors, and Blue Ridge Medical Group under the leadership of our fearless president and CEO, Kathy Bailey, participating in her first Dragon event. And Paddle of Thrones, nursing leadership and positions with co-captains Davita Roseman, Chief Nursing Executive, and Dr. Jeff Zapawa.
What kind of chances do you think you stand today?
I think our odds are pretty good today. I think
that's right.
I'd like to thank our sponsors.
How many dragon boat races have you been in?
None.
This is the first one.
This is my first. We are virgin paddlers.
That's okay, but you've been practicing.
We practiced yesterday.
Yeah, how did it go?
It went great.
Yeah.
The team is phenomenal. People are going to see nothing but the backs of our shirts.
Fantastic. Your chances are today.
Our chances are good. Our chances are very good.
Good of what?
I'm convinced that we are going to dominate today as the Dragon Slayers because we are talented and in another life could have been a Dragon Slayer.
It was like,
was it that bad, guys?
oh, it was like 4 boat lengths.
Like John,
Whoa! Whoa!
very good. Ready? Very good.
We practiced it in the boat.
And we will.
All the teams did great and looked sharp in their custom t-shirts. Blue Ridge Dragons won their division, and Paddle of Thrones won one time for their division, with the Dragon Slayers finishing less than half a second behind. It was really a photo finish, as judges had to review the tape to see who crossed the line first. Some say Paddle of Thrones won bragging rights, but Miss Bailey said the Slayers finished 2 out of 3, which ain't bad. We'll be off to the races next year, so start practicing those strokes. Thank you to everyone in our CHS Blue Ridge family for showing great team spirit. See you next year.